Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Clinitest Rapid is probably one of the most important tools you can have in your home for quick and reliable COVID-19 detection, offering peace of mind and actionable results when you need them most, ensuring you can take swift action to protect yourself and your loved ones from potential exposure. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your own home. No need to send samples to a lab. Testing is simple and comfortable with our non-invasive nasal swab. Just a gentle insertion is needed. Optional instructional videos are available on our app. This self-test is recommended for individuals 15 and older. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. Our mobile app allows you to easily monitor and track test results for your group. Perfect for schools, workplaces, or events. Each test component is independently sealed for your safety and hygiene. This ensures a clean and secure testing experience every time. This test is FDA authorized for over-the-counter use, giving you peace of mind. It's a convenient and reliable way to check for COVID-19. What we like? This test offers quick, FDA-authorized results in just 15 minutes. If you need to manage testing for a group, like at school or work, its mobile app feature is incredibly convenient. If you're looking for a way to easily track multiple people's results, this is a great choice. What people say. The Clinitest Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Test is a reliable and easy-to-use option for quick detection of the virus. This test provides accurate results within 15 minutes, making it a convenient choice for at-home testing. The test kit includes all necessary components for a straightforward testing process, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Number 4. Clinitest Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test, 5 tests. Introducing the Clinitest Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. This test is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use, making it a convenient option for at-home testing. It's designed for individuals aged 2 years and older. Testing is easy with our simple swab and test procedure. You can get reliable results quickly and efficiently. Rest assured, this test has shown the ability to detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern. It's a dependable tool for monitoring your health. Don't wait for results. This rapid test provides the information you need in just 15 minutes, so you can be prepared for what's next. Each pack contains 5 individual tests, offering a convenient supply for your household's needs. Stay prepared with this comprehensive testing solution. What we like? Get your results in 15 minutes with this FDA EUA authorized test. It's designed to detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern. If you want peace of mind knowing it can identify the latest strains, and you prefer a simple swabbing process, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use and read results. Accurate results obtained quickly. The test is straightforward to perform at home. Number 3. Flowflex COVID-19 Home Test Kit. Get quick and reliable results for your family's health. This test provides peace of mind in just 15 minutes and is effective at detecting COVID-19 variants. Experience clinical-grade performance right in your home. It offers the same high standards and sensitivity as tests used by healthcare professionals, without needing a prescription or lab visit. This test is approved for self-testing for individuals 14 and older. It's also suitable for younger children when an adult administers it. Everything you need is included for an easy testing experience. The non-invasive nasal swab ensures comfort, and clear instructions are provided. With a 24-month expiration date, it stays fresh and ready for when you need it. Its compact design makes it perfect for home health kits and travel. This trusted testing solution is eligible for purchase with your FSA and HSA funds, making it a convenient option for managing your health expenses. What we like? This test provides rapid results in 15 minutes and is FSA and HSA eligible. Its long 2-year shelf life means it's ready when you need it. If you're looking for a cost-effective option that you can keep on hand for extended periods, this is a smart pick. What people say. The test is very easy to use and provides accurate results quickly. The design of the test is user-friendly, making it simple to perform the test at home. It's a reliable option for rapid COVID-19 testing, giving peace of mind with its factual accuracy. Number 2. Flowflex COVID-19 Antigen Home Test Kit. Get fast and reliable results for your family's health. This test detects multiple COVID-19 variants and provides peace of mind in just 15 minutes. Engineered with the same high standards and sensitivity as tests used by healthcare professionals. No prescription or lab visit is needed for convenient testing. This test is approved for self-testing for individuals 14 and older. It's also suitable for children ages 2 and up when administered by an adult. Everything you need is in the kit, including a non-invasive nasal swab and clear instructions. Testing is straightforward and comfortable. With a 24-month expiration date, it stays fresh and ready when you need it. Its compact design is perfect for home health kits and travel. This convenient testing solution is eligible for flexible spending accounts and health savings accounts, making it an accessible choice for your healthcare needs. What we like. With a 2-year shelf life and FSA/HSA eligibility, this test is a practical choice for stocking up. It delivers results in 15 minutes and is easy to use. If you need multiple tests for your household and want a reliable option that stays fresh, consider this pack. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The test kit comes with all the necessary components for testing. The rapid antigen test is convenient for at-home use. Number 1. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results quickly, right in the comfort of your home. Join millions of families who trust our product. We are a leading supplier, delivering over 1 billion tests nationwide. No need to wait for lab results. This FDA-cleared test provides results in just 15 minutes. Stay informed about the evolving virus. It's designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants. Testing is simple and causes minimal discomfort. Just a quick, non-invasive nasal swab is needed. Suitable for individuals aged 2 and above. Adult supervision is recommended for younger children. What we like. This FDA 510(k) cleared test from a trusted brand delivers results in 15 minutes and detects multiple variants. It's designed for minimal discomfort during the non-invasive nasal swab. If you prioritize a reliable, well-known brand that can identify evolving strains and offers an easy testing experience, this is a solid option. What people say. The Clinitest Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Test is a reliable and easy-to-use option for quick detection of the virus. This test provides accurate results within 15 minutes, making it a convenient choice for home use or point-of-care settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.